Hello, my good people. Good morning, good afternoon, and good evening to you. Welcome to this program. This is Biafra Breaking News Media. Please, if you've not subscribed to this channel, kindly hit the subscription button to support your boy. In this platform, I bring the news to you, bring the story, bring the concerns of our people to you with regards to the importance and imperatives, implications in line with the political, security, economy, social, education, and cultural perspectives, as it concerns all of us as well. This particular topic is about a man that was kidnapped alongside with the wife, with another man who was shot dead on the spot. And according to the video, the shooting was on a close range. So this took place in Irite, Umugoma Road. So according to the narrative, it seems the man posted the video to call for people's attention, at least to pass the information to those who recognizes the vehicle and will be able to identify the people in question. Although if they are kidnapped for the purpose of money, of course, they will finally contact their homes. But the man that was shot dead, according to the video, was said to have gone to show them a land in that area. So that is how I saw it today. And I said, let me quickly bring it to the notice of our good people. Why the ESN is doing all they have to do. Like I used to say, it is not yet over, but at least the excesses is reduced. Let me state this. Since the coming of Eastern Security Network, the rate of kidnappings, the rate of death in the hands of Nigerian security operatives as well, have reduced drastically. You can agree with me on this. Make your research as well to verify. So, it is not yet over. We continue pushing because people must be protected. Our people must be protected and our land secured from the hands of these maludas who constitutes all kind of mayhem against our people, not minding the implications of the fact that they are simply hosted by the host communities. So, since it is in their norm to destroy things and attack people at will, ESM must be supported and never allowed to be taken away. And whatever effort that the governors are making to form a contrary organization or something like that, should be resisted. It should be resisted with everything in us, because this letter you are looking at currently is a letter that was written to them by IPOB during May 2020. In May 2020, it's not that maybe they were not consulted or requested, but they ignored those. It's not just to governors, all the governors of Eastern region, including the House of Assemblies. So this letter was sent to all of them, and they ignored it. So whenever you want to talk about IPOB or say anything against IPOB, do your investigation right. They may have done a lot. IPOB may have done a lot to seek for whatever means you are trying to suggest or think they should have done something before they choose to do it the way they did it. So we have very stubborn flies as politicians in Southeast and South-South. Very stubborn, very selfish. They care less about the people. Now that IPOB went ahead to establish a people's voice, people's mind, and people's will, Eastern Security Network, they now see a way to politicize it in the name of bringing out another what do they call it? A contrary organization. In fact, call on your siblings. They shouldn't dare to volunteer to endanger their lives in the name of working for government. It will be too dare. They shouldn't try it. So it's just a fact. Take a look at the letter which is displaying right away. Read it yourself. Or I can as well. So this letter says it all. These people don't mind. They don't care. So why are they now coming out to form an organization? If it is Mazen Nnamdi Kanu, he will say Ngeria everywhere. Mad people everywhere. So it is uncalled for, and the people don't need anything from the government as it stands now. They should stop this deception. They should stop this deception. It is wrong. They should sit back and allow IPOB to do what they are doing. Except if they want the boiling to start from southeast, then they should bring anything that the people will resist. That is it for now, my people. Stay tuned as more informations are coming your ways.
My voice call.
Do you know this car has been kidnapped with the husband, with the wife. This is the Umuguma Road. The man and one papa is dead. Papa, the agent that came to show them the land, is dead. It's unfortunate. The policeman has been here, but they try to see what they can do. Can see the papa. Can see papa. See they shot him at close range. Oh my God. Oh my God. Hi, Jesus. Jesus Christ. Oh my God.